We are in the home stretch of research paper writing. All we have left is writing that intro and conclusion and then formatting our paragraph. So in this week's folder, you'll see the directions that have both of your tasks in it. So task 1, write that intro and conclusion paragraph and then submit them in one document. There are 2 PowerPoints for you to look at in the task 1 folder. Both of these will guide you through those paragraphs. Your intro paragraph is going to be 3 sentences. Your conclusion paragraph is going to be 4 sentences. And there's a very formulaic way of writing those paragraphs that you will follow. Task 2 is formatting your paper for final submission. So make any of the necessary changes that you have received. So if you've received feedback on either PowerSchool or Schoology about your paragraphs, make those changes and then copy and paste all of your paragraphs into the OneDrive document in the Task 2 folder. So there's a OneDrive push assignment for you to copy your paragraphs into. We are going to be submitting this to Grade Network, so it needs to go into that OneDrive assignment. You cannot email or share this with me. It must go in the Task 2 folder. If you have not corrected your citations on Noodle Tools yet, you need to do that. You are graded on your Works Cited page, and if your citations are wrong, your Works Cited page will be wrong. And then go on to the Task 2 folder and look at the video and directions as to how to get your Works Cited page from Noodle Tools. It's super simple, but you got to watch the video to figure out how to do that. Then double check your MLA formatting with a document called What is MLA Formatting? And once you're certain that your paper is just solid, you can go ahead and submit. So let's take a look at that Task 2 folder. The first subfolder in here says How to Make Works Cited Page. So once I click on that, I can see there's a video and then there's a document for me to look at the directions. Both of them give the same directions. You can look at either one, but it will walk you through exactly how to get that Works Cited page from Noodle Tools to your document. And then there's a Works Cited example. When I pull up this Works Cited example though, the spacing isn't quite right. So if I open it in a Word document, it'll look a little bit better. So notice it's all double spaced, just like your whole paper. And then the indenting is kind of funky in a Works Cited page, and the video walks you through how to get this. But it's kind of the opposite of a paragraph. So you see in the first line, that is all the way to the left, whereas in the rest of the citation, everything is indented. So it's the opposite of a paragraph, right? It's called hanging indent. You will need to do that with your Works Cited page as well. Going back into Schoology, I see the next thing in that same folder of the Task 2 formatting paper and submitting your first draft is What is MLA format? So that will give you all of the rules of MLA format in case you can't remember what they are. And then there's a full research paper for you to look at as well. Again, unless you download it and open it in a Word document, it's going to look a little bit funky, but this will be a full research paper and what it should look like. And you can check that out too. Once you are done with your Task 2 and your paper's formatted and submitted,